Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but here we're just doing the unboxing of the brand new Bose Soundlink Flex. It's a new speaker released by Bose. So it's in the Soundlink family, so we're going to be doing the unboxing of this video today. So normally when it comes in, you have the box comes in. So open that out. You have the paperwork that comes with it and instructions and stuff. So we're going to put that aside. The speaker itself comes in plastic. There we have the charging cord. So we're gonna set that aside. So the speaker itself, it's a very rugged looking speaker. Just from first impressions, from looking at it, it looks amazing. So we're gonna press that. The good thing about this is that it comes now with the Type-C charging port. So that is amazing. Bose listened to people and give the people what they want. So right off the bat, just from first impressions, it looks very rugged. It's like fits my palm, and I have pretty big hand, so it fits right in there. So that's really good. It's got the attachment cord for it, or the tether if you have to hold it onto a backpack you travel with it. So just for the first unboxing, this looks pretty rugged, looks pretty solid. And the grill up here, if you can see that, it's a metal, so it looks pretty good. And then
battery,
turn
20%.
it up. So once you get it, it comes with a just very low battery, so it's 20%. So you have to connect that to charge it to full. So I'm going to work with this for maybe the next week or so, and then have a full detailed review on this product. This is pretty brand new. I think this was released September or so, or October of this year. So October this month. So guys, look forward to a full review on this product, and I'll have that for you guys in the next week. Also, this is the Bose Soundlink Flex. It's brand new to the lineup, so I'm going to use this and kind of connect with the Bose Music app and the Bose Connect app, and let you all know the good, the bad, the ugly. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and so I can keep on producing more of this content. Alright, thank you everyone, and we'll see you guys in the full review.